Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to make a very quick video talking about some current sales that are going on. So let's go ahead and start with Heat Press Nation. They're going to continue to add sales all week long, so make sure that you check back each day. And all you have to do is click on where it says Black Friday and it'll come to this page here and you can see what's going on. So the biggest thing is sublimation. So you guys know that there's really never any sales on Sawgrass, and right now there is. So the inks are down to $65 for the sublimation, and then you can even do the chromoblast. So the chromoblast are all the way down to $48, and then the Caesar is $74. So definitely come check it out. This is now the time if you guys have been wanting to get some of these inks, or maybe you need to replace your inks. Now's the time to do it. Now another thing is the Oki 711 WT laser printer is $1,000 off. So there's $1,000 off this one if you guys have been wanting that white toner printer. So there's that. Another thing is if you purchase from them the Sawgrass SG500 or the SG1000, it's going to come with a free pack of paper and a Unisub sample pack. So you're going to get some samples to work with, so some blanks. So that's really cool in itself. It's going to come with the inks and all of that. So like I said, if you guys have been wanting to purchase a Sawgrass, now's the time to do it. And also if you guys need to refill your inks, now's the time to do it. If you guys are going to be ordering from Heat Press Nation at all, please consider clicking on the link down below. It will help my channel grow. So I really appreciate that. So that's the current sales that are going on right now. We'll come back tomorrow and talk about the new stuff. So let's go ahead and move on to stalls. This isn't a Black Friday deal, but I want to go ahead and announce it. They are doing a heat press for profit. It is going to be January 5th through the 7th, but right now you could go ahead and purchase their hands-on sample kit. So you're going to get a sample kit. With this, they're going to have over a dozen education classes for beginners and the expert for heat pressers. It's going to have exclusive event sales. It's also going to have special launches and announcements. So you guys definitely don't want to miss this. If you guys want to go ahead and sign up for it now, I highly recommend it before all the spaces are gone. So you could buy the sample kit. It is $99. It'll talk about what it's going to include so you guys can follow along. It's going to be a ton of fun. I'm definitely going to be there as well. They're going to help you. So if you guys kind of read here a little bit, they're going to help you with setting up your heat press to pricing jobs like a pro. So there's going to be a lot of neat stuff. So if you guys have either started a business or you guys are thinking about starting a t-shirt business, definitely come check this out. So I definitely wanted to announce that. And then when it comes to Expressions vinyl, they have a sale going on with Caesar right now. So you can get their Easy Weed 12x12 for $237, so on and so forth. So you can see $467, which was originally $689 for the 12x24. So if anybody uses Caesar Easy Weed or any of the glitter or anything like that, make sure you come check it out right over here. I'll have this linked directly below. So that's what's going on over on Expressions Vinyl, and it looks like they've got several pages of those sales, so definitely come check that out. So if you guys check out Amazon, they have their sales currently going on as well. Their Cricut Explorer Air 2 in mint is $179, so definitely check that out. If you guys have been wanting to get a cheap deal on the Cricut Explorer Air 2, you can definitely check that out over on Amazon. Once again, those are linked below. As they come along, I'll continue to upload videos each day. So once again, if you guys wouldn't mind using the links below, it really helps my channel and I truly appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.